Hi, welcome to my Mathcast. The intended audience is grade 1. The content or learning objective is to classify shapes based on defining attributes using examples, variants, and non-examples, created by Madeline Countryman. Our vocabulary list consists of one word, the word attribute. An attribute means a characteristic such as color, shape, size. So in this example, we have a little square and a big square. And the little or big is the size, which is a characteristic, meaning the size of the squares, being little or big, is an attribute of the square. Our first problem is to circle the shapes that have 3 straight sides. So our important things that we need to know is the shapes that have 3 straight sides. So we can count the sides for each shape. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's too many. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. That one works. We can circle that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's too many. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. Circle that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's too many. There's 0 straight sides in an oval or circle. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 6 straight sides in that one. That's too many. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. That's too many. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. That one we can circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight sides. That's too many. Only 1 straight side there. That's too many. And then that's not enough. And then 1, 2, 3, which that has enough, the perfect amount. So as we can see, those 4 shapes are the ones that have 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And we can tell that those are all triangles. Our next problem is to circle the shapes that have no straight sides. So let's go through and do the same thing. This one has 1, 2, 3, that's too many. This one has no straight sides, so we can circle that one. This one has 0 or no straight sides, so we can circle that one. This one has 2 straight sides, so that's too many. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides, that's too many. This one has 0 straight sides, so we can circle this one. And this one, again, also has no straight sides, so we can circle that one. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's too many. So we circled this one, this one, this one, and this one. And these 4 are the ones that have no straight sides. So these are all circles or ovals. Our next problem is to see which attributes or characteristics, as we learned attributes means, are the same for all of the shapes in Group A. So this is Group A, these four shapes right here. So let's count the sides first. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 straight sides, 1, 2, 3 straight sides, and 1, 2, 3 straight sides. So they all have 3 straight sides. Our next example, or the next part, is we have to find another characteristic or attribute that are the same for Group A. So let's count. Let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3 corners there. 1, 2, 3 corners there. 1, 2, 3 corners there. And 1, 2, 3 corners there. So they all also have 3 corners. As you can see, this shows that in Group A, they all have the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 straight sides. And they all also have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 corners. And we can see that this means that they are all triangles. because they have 3 sides and 3 corners, 3 straight sides. So, thank you for watching my Mathcast. The Mathcast resources I used were the Engage New York website for my module and topic lesson, and then the MLC Math Vocab app created by Madeline Countryman.